In this video, we're going to make a delicious and easy plant-based meal using classic Chinese recipes. White rice, egg and tomato, green bean and garlic, and fried mushrooms. I'm not an authority on these recipes, but if you're using a Western-style kitchen, then this video may be a good resource for you. These are pretty easy ingredients to find, and it's a pretty easy meal to make, so let's get into it. First, wash the rice. Add double the amount of water to the rice and then bring it to a boil. Normally large tomatoes are used for this recipe, but I'm using little cherry tomatoes. Crushing the tomatoes instead of chopping them is saving me some time, and that's a hack that I learned in China as well. Chop up some garlic and chili. I'll be using soft tofu in place of egg for this recipe, and I'll be adding black salt when I serve it for that eggy flavor. Now I want to get a start on the green bean dish, so I'll just begin washing them. I often use dish soap on harder vegetables. Peel some ginger and chop some mushrooms. For this recipe, I'm using king oyster mushrooms, but you can use a wide variety of mushrooms for this recipe. Fry the garlic till brown, add tofu, soy sauce, and then the tomatoes. A lot of water comes out of the tofu, so you may want to press it and render some of the water off in the pan. Add some white pepper to the dish, not black pepper as I'm using here. White pepper is a big part of the flavor. Also, it's good to top it with black salt for that eggy flavor. Fry some garlic until golden brown again, along with ginger and some chilies if desired. All these recipes are commonly done on high gas heat in a wok, but here I'm cooking on a stovetop with a cast iron frying pan. These are king oyster mushrooms, but you can use a wide variety of mushrooms for this recipe. Fry up the mushrooms, adding some soy sauce. Take some cornstarch in a small bowl. Mix it carefully with some soy sauce and water. Toss it into the pan on a high heat. If it isn't gooey enough, add some more water. Yummy! There's the mushroom dish all ready. Now I'm frying up the peas with garlic and chili pepper, and I'll add some soy sauce as the peas soften. Now that they're starting to show some color, I'm going to add some sugar. Right now I'm adding monk fruit sugar, but you can add honey, sugar, or another sweetener. Toast them on a high heat until the sugar caramelizes over the vegetable. You could also add the cornstarch sauce to this dish if you desired, and you could put a bit of sugar in the sauce as well if you like. So that is a fast, fun, complete meal that I would probably eat every day. I really love this meal. Thanks so much for watching my video journey of trying to recreate these Chinese recipes with limited ingredients in a Western kitchen. It's been real fun, and I hope you enjoy this meal if you try it at home. Be sure to check out my other recipe videos and give me a like and subscribe. Cheers!
Wow. Oh, wow.
Try to move it by the range. Do you want me to like shoveling it up?